How to add or remove Safari extensions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, tap on Safari. Here, you can manage search settings, privacy features, and more. Scroll down to find and tap on Extensions. Extensions can change the appearance or behavior of web content in Safari. On this page, tap on any extension to manage its settings. You can then tap the toggle switch for Allow extension to turn it off, deactivating its functionality. To find more, go back and tap on More extensions at the bottom of the list. This opens the App Store, allowing you to browse and download new extensions. Following these steps, you can easily add or remove Safari extensions on an iPhone.